Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naida. For those who don't know me, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to prepare pilau njeri. And here guys, I'm frying my onions until they are golden brown. While I'm frying my onions, my chicken is right here, so that I'll prepare chicken stew with my pilau njeri, because as you know guys, in pilau njeri there's no meat. So this is what I'm preparing. So let's go together. So my onions are now golden brown, so I'm going to add ginger and garlic. I'll fry until my ginger and garlic are golden